सो इट वॉज ईजी फॉर मी टू गो कम्प्लीटली मेकअप फ्री, मेकअप नहीं है मेरे चेहरे पर, और वही मेरे डायरेक्टर चाहते थे. बट डेफिनेटली मैं कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऐसे नहीं पहनती. और मुझे पता है कि मेरी जो कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर है यहाँ प्रियंका बैठी, उनके साथ बहुत बहुत डिस्कशंस होती थी, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 2 पेयर ऑफ जीन्स लेकर आई थी जो मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में पहनी. 45 डेज ठंड में सिर्फ 2 पेयर ऑफ जीन्स, एक बदलो तो दूसरी पहनो. और मैं कहती थी यार ऐसे कपड़े, मॉमी कपड़े क्यों दे रहे हो मुझे. So you know who wears this kind of clothes, but I think eventually result screen पे, and the vision of course belongs to our director over here, who's so talented कि जैसा उन्होंने vision देखा मुझे दिखाने का, I'm looking exactly like my character Savi, and I think that helped me also as an actor, because जब आप दिख रहे होते हो तो अंदर से you start feeling like that character automatically.
एक आखिरी चीज इससे पहले कि यहाँ पे बड़े सारे सवाल आपके लिए आने वाले हैं. सती सावित्री है, हम अब से नहीं कब से सुनते आए हैं. सो यहाँ कुछ ऐसे ही हो रहा है कि यमराज से किसी को वापस ला रहे हो, कुछ इस टाइप की कहानी है, कुछ कनेक्शन है?
एक्चुअली मैंने भी अपनी मम्मा से बचपन में एक कहानी सुनी थी सती सावित्री की, और जिसमें सती सावित्री जो है वो अपने पति सत्यवान को यमराज से भी लड़कर वापस लाती है. सो दैट स्टोरी वो एक करेज और डिटर्मिनेशन की स्टोरी है कि प्यार के लिए वुमेन वो पूरे ब्रह्मांड से लड़ पड़ेगी. सो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से दैट आवर फिल्म सावी इज़ अ मॉडर्नाइज्ड वर्जन ऑफ द टेल ऑफ सावित्री, और दैट इज़ हम इंडियन ऑडियंस को वही कहानी दिखा रहे हैं बट मॉडर्नाइज की गई है. So it shows the courage of a woman, a determination of a woman, a strength of a woman, and I think every woman is going to relate to this film, and every woman is going to see Savitri in herself and herself in Savitri.
Wow, wow, wow. Of course, yeah. तालियां खुद ही बज गई हैं यहाँ पे. So yes, it's time for a quick photo.
That what was it about her personality?
Hello.
That you saw.
I got to know that
अभिषेक
Bhatt sir is
मांजरेकर को
making
phone
this
कर.
film, and I went to meet him.
वो रहेगा,
And
उसको
I
phone कर.
requested him कि sir please cast me for this role. I want to do this role. And I think what he saw in me, he can only tell that he believed in me, and he gave me such a strong character to portray. And I'm so thankful and happy that now he stands proud of me. And it makes me very happy to see that,
Let me talk for you. As you mentioned my name, that when this came to know about the script, which I had stumbled upon, and which had stirred me and excited me to make. You know what, Divya, if you ask me very honestly, what made me decide that yes, you and only you should play this role, is the sincerity and the honesty in which you came to me and pleaded with me that let me do this role. And I promise you, I will not let you down. That moment of sincerity completely swept me off my feet. And that is the most important thing. I knew that you will go that extra 100 miles to deliver what is expected out of this character of my film. And I want to tell each one of you, Divya Khosla is going to shock all of you with a brilliant performance. This is a film, I'm stating this openly with confidence, she will shock you. A Divya Khosla you have never seen before. She is going to be in this film called Savvy. You will come out and say, oh my God, this girl can do a performance of this level. That's what Savvy is. So you must see the film, not because it's my film, because it's a film worth watching, and for the sincere, fabulous, 100% performance of Divya Khosla.